Morning guys, how's it going? My name is Nick. I'm from Nick Gilowey Plumbing. A little bit about myself, I've been doing plumbing since 2017. Started out my own company in 2019. We are here today at a client's residence. We are going to be testing out the new Rifeng system. I've seen overseas they love using crimping tools, and I think South Africa is a bit in the past year and they're still using tools to tighten everything, so I thought what better opportunity to test out a new system. So yeah, excited to give it a go and see how it turns out. Cool guys, how's it going? We are back. I've just finished completing the job using the new Rifeng system. It was really easy and quick to use. I blasted through that job. I think it would have taken me probably twice as long using the regular Connex fittings and having to tighten everything up. Definitely gonna keep using it going forward. I've got a few quotes coming up, so looking forward to using the product more, and I'll definitely recommend it to all the other plumbers out there who haven't yet tried the system to give it a go, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised as to how easy it is to use.